Well, hello. It's been a while since I uploaded a video. I was on vacation, but I'm going to tell you what, these worms should be good to go because they were well fed before I left. So when it comes to having worms, you don't have to worry about if you're going to have any issues when you go on vacation. As long as you give them enough paper and cardboard, your worms are going to be good to go. But look at that, they're happy. The bin looks good. Nice castings. They're getting really flaky. But I'm going to give them, here's a piece of a cucumber. I'm going to give them some another cucumber that I had in my garden. But I got to put some cardboard down because this is a huge cucumber. I waited too long to get it. This will last them for a while. Let's go ahead and put some cardboard right here. Set that right there. I'm going to cover it up with more bedding, but I cut it open so they should be have no problem getting into this. Let me can't even break it. Like I said, there should be a slit in it, so they'll be able to get to that. That is a nice sized cucumber, isn't it? So let's cover it up with cardboard. No problems on this end. Looks good. I will put my bubble wrap back on. But yeah, let me put some water on. Let me spray that cardboard. Get it damp a little bit. This is my handy dandy sprayer. I like it. If you're interested in a sprayer like this, look in the link in the description box to find out more information. But this pump sprayer definitely saves you time when it comes to watering your worm bins. But look at that, the worms have plenty of bedding to eat. So, like I said, don't stress out when it comes to your worms when you go on vacation. And it's okay to go on vacation as well. But now, it's time to look at the Euros. I'm trying to open up the lid to my Euros, but Ruby's in the way, so I can't get it open. So Ruby, you have to move so I can open the container with the Euros. But these Euros are good too, because look at that. Plenty of bedding. So the worms were taken care of. So it's a stress-free worm bin. Ruby, let me give them some food scraps. So here they go as well. Another cucumber. I'm going to give them a banana too. Let me throw in a banana. Cardboard on top. Sprayer. Wash my hands while I'm spraying it with my sprayer. And the nozzle is adjustable. I like this setting better when it comes to adding this water to this worm bin. Excuse me for a little burping, so I apologize for that. But here we go. Cover this one up and look at my other worm bin with the Euros. Once again, trying to look at the Euros, and look who's in the on the camera. Excuse me, Rudy. Nice castings on this side. One of my Euros chilling. Cucumber for them. I'll give them 2 cucumbers. Then let me cover this up with something bedding. There they go. But I'm thinking with my Euros, I am about to put them in a worm bin, combine the worm bin, and just have one bin with the Euros. So that's going to be on my to-do list. But I'll wait till probably next year, because right now I got way too many things I'm doing. But now let's look at my other worm bin with the mixed worms. My diversity and inclusion worm bin with reds, blues, and Euros. European nightcrawlers. Looks like it's smoking. I don't know if that's just me seeing stuff, but I don't know why it should be smoking, because maybe it's just the way I thought it was when I was looking at it. So maybe it was just dust or something, but it looks good. On that note, let me give them some food scraps. Some dry bedding down. Cucumber. Banana. Bedding on top. So my question for you, what do you do? How do you prepare your worm bins when you go on vacation? Leave it in the comments box below, because I'd love to hear your answer. And I'll give you the opportunity to share your journey with other worm farmers as well. So this bin looks good. Now let's look at my worm bin with the red wigglers. This is my 100% pure red wigglers that I got from Mimi's Worm Farm. And this worm had a bass in it. And if you don't know what a bass is, you can check that video out on the end screen after this one. The bedding's dry. I know the worms are okay in here. So that's a red wiggler. Then get some of this wet lettuce. This stuff was not frozen and thawed out. This was just in the refrigerator. It's got a little juice in it, so I'll give them the juice. And a cucumber too. So I'm going to call this one good, but I know I did put a slit in all my cucumbers. But if not, it'll break down and soften up and I'll get in there. But like I said, it's so tight, you can't puncture it. But that's it for now. If you want to know about worms, learn a little bit. If you want to learn a little bit more about worms, there's a few other videos to check out. Thank you for your time. If you're haven't already, subscribe, ring that bell, give this video a like, leave comments. Talk to you later. Bye.